Guys, I'm starting college.
It's registration in 7 minutes. I'm so nervous.
So this is my admission page. Hey. Guys, I'm starting college. It still hasn't clicked to me that I ended high school like 2 months ago. So tag along with me as I prepare for college in the last few days of my summer. Okay, little backstory. I started preparing for college like a couple weeks ago. I just take it like one day at a time because it's still summer and I still want to enjoy my summer. And I'm not exactly the type of person to just push everything into one day. Why is this summer so freaking short? Let's be for real. It flew by way too fast. I just showered and I'm getting ready. Obviously, you've seen this toner like a bajillion times, but I swear by it, like, it actually just hydrates your skin so much. But yeah, I'm just gonna get done with my skincare and then I'm gonna prep for my class. See ya.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Now that's better. I just like touched my flute, which I haven't touched for like freaking 2 months, and I kind of miss it. Kind of brings me back to, you know, high school and the memories. But another thing that I did to like prepare myself for college, I guess a bit, is to like reach out to friends, you know, especially the close ones that actually care about you. But yeah, reach out to your friends. You know, it might be like one of the last times you guys can play Roblox together or like talk or hang out. Enjoy summer. That's what I did literally yesterday. I knew I had homework to do, you know, to prep for college, but I was like, you can always do homework later. You can't meet with your friends later because all my friends are going into like pretty harsh programs, including myself. I know like none of us are gonna be free. Almost everyone's going into a science program, and I know that's gonna be really hard. Oh my goodness, it is bright. It is currently golden hour. So another thing I did to prepare for college was obviously registrations. It's currently Friday and I did registrations on Tuesday, and I forgot to like film it because at the time I didn't think of like vlogging to prepare for college. It only came as a thought today. Let me just do a reenactment. Guys, it's registration in 7 minutes. I'm so nervous. But yeah, no kidding, it was really stressful and like my heart was palpitating. Palpitating? Hot potato? No, my heart was genuinely racing. Like, that was the first time I ever felt like my heart raced so fast. But yeah, it was crazy. But I did so much intensive and extensive research. Like, let me show you. Obviously, I can't show you, but like, I did research on my teachers. Guess what? I finished registration in like 5 minutes. Some of the classes I took only had like 6 seats left. And I really wanted that class because the teacher was really good or like chill or whatever. Another thing I've done to like prepare for college is to make a new Notion page. I would say I use Notion quite a lot. I have 7 courses to take this semester. So a Notion page is indeed something I really needed. Let me give you a small Notion tour. So this is my Notion page. In the background I chose like a Fruitiger arrow background. In the corner I have a little Hirono. Apart from the decorations or whatever, let's get in the nitty gritty of my Notion page. 825 is autumn 2025. Here I have a little quote. There's no growth without change, no change without fear or loss, and no loss without pain. Let me just introduce to you what I have. So in this section, I have my dailies. I have this button that I think I like took from somebody else's template. Most of the things in my Notion page are usually just like me taking some parts of somebody else's template and putting it together. We have a small little calendar and then daily like to-do lists for every day. This is how I like to plan my things. Instead of having a physical diary or physical planner, and I just like having everything set on one page. You know, have 3 priorities to do, like film this video, buy pencils, registration. Yeah, so I just do that, and that's how I get organized. And then once it's done, I put it in the archive like that. And then on the side, I have navigation and see. When I said I was minimalist, I truly meant it because I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. And then we have our habit list. Here we have classes from my college page. Here we have college assessments calendar. So this database is connected to my college assessments planner. Similar to what you just saw on my Notion page, I put goals and ambitions like thingy. And I think I'm gonna get started with that now. But yeah, a bit of a look on what's on my Pinterest feed. Okay, so, oh my goodness, I'm going shopping for some gym clothes. Yeah. Got some clothes at Uniqlo, of course. Okay, I'm back from shopping. It was kind of tiring. Let me give you a small haul. I spent like $85 today, but half of it was because of matcha, okay? Matcha powder. That's the first item. My facial expression literally dropped when I saw $39 because I bought it for $35 last time, and last time was only 2 months ago. Like, what is this matcha inflation? And I've been drinking matcha. Don't come at me for being a performative male, because I'm not. At least since 2022. This Adidas sports shirt because I don't have much athletic wear. I like it. It was only 20 bucks. And lastly, I got these yoga socks because I signed up for yoga, which I shouldn't have because now my Wednesdays are like 4 classes. Am I gonna survive? Tune in next episode. And when I came home, I got my Amazon package. Well, I got this matcha set for my friend's birthday. I got this iPad case, literally my 3rd iPad case, because the last 2 broke. This one that I currently have, it's like fine, but like, yeah. This part broke off. My friend dropped my iPad and this whole piece is gone, so I had to get a new one. Another day, and I start college tomorrow, so I'm gonna pack my bag a bit today. As for school supplies, I honestly find it so annoying and so wasteful how people always do like those back to school videos and buy so many things every season. Like, you do not need to buy that many school supplies. This is my pencil case, which I hope I will be doing like a pencil case review or like what's in my pencil case video. If I'm feeling fancy, I'm gonna use these Muji notebooks, of course. Like this folder or jutang, like guys, just reuse your school supplies. It's more environmentally friendly and it doesn't break your wallet. Like, you can spend money on other things than supplies. And then here's my backpack, which is already freaking heavy. It's from Fjallraven. Another things I like for college is to have an accordion type binder because you can put literally every subject in here. Hope you have a good back to school season and wishing you all the best, sending you all my support and love, and till next time. Bye bye.